Hello everyone, I am Dr. Subhashri Das, back to my channel Emotions Unplugged with the same tagline, it's time to speak with Dr. Subhashri. In the last few episodes, I've been talking about resilience, silence, how silence can be a strong weapon. So actually in today's episode, I thought of enhancing that topic in regard to how silence can become a reflection, how silence can help in improving and building relationships. These are few things actually all of us has come across, but hardly we tend to identify the importance, the impact of silence in everyone's life. When we are talking about stress level, building the intense emotional processing, in each and every aspect you will find that silence plays a pivotal role actually. Just to be taken for granted, silence is not absence of any sort of noise. Silence is actually a form of communication. Words, if shared in different type of languages, doesn't only mean a sense of communication. Silence is also a communicative process. If we look into the scenario, silence helps in allowing to develop such type of platform where one can delve deep into, understand the emotional aspect. It is a cognitive state. Means silence slowly works in the mental state. Sometimes we are not in a good state of mind. Perhaps we have crossed words with someone. We have a small fight. We have a small rift or a quarrel. At that particular point, if we will understand that yes, it's better to remain silent. If few of us would be watching this video, if you would have experienced this also, you would have realized that few moments of silence allows us to understand the other's point of view. It is not only to respond. Sometimes if you are not in a silent state and you are furious enough and immediately you start reacting, that will be very impulsive also, that will be hurting also. So silence over there at that point, it prevents that. So in the long run, what happens? As I said, it is a form of communication. Without expressing anything, your behavioral approach, your dealings with your partner, your silent non-verbal communication helps in giving ample opportunity to the person at the other end to not only understand you, but also you on your part gets a time to understand the other's point of view. That is empathizing. So it's not a matter of fact that we never know all these things. It is a part of life. The fact is that we never realize it. So, in a conflict-driven scenario, silence comes to give you solutions. Different methodologies are there. If you will ask to any one individual also, how do you come out of your stress level, your irritation, your frustration that you are going through, different sorts of ups and downs or the challenges in the ongoing process of life, they might come out with different solutions that actually I go for a walk, I listen to soft music, classical music, I just feel like sitting alone, spending some my time in a closed room. Different sorts of solutions they give out. But have you ever wondered that when you are alone, when you are not involved in any sort of actions or deeds, that few moments or fractions of silence triggers your cognitive state, your mental state. And what it triggers? It gives you a scope to analyze your own self, that what exactly you were doing. What steps you should take to come out of this situation. It gives you a proper map, actually, we can say, to find out the ways how to balance your life. These all actually nothing but compilation of what I am talking about today, about reflection of your relationship. रिश्ते इतने आसान नहीं है. सारे रिश्तों को बांध के रखना भी इतना आसान नहीं है. We need to understand all these relationships. And to understand and to maintain the relationship, I think the best thing is to remain calm. Because that few moments of stillness or silence state of your life paves the way to realize, to acknowledge, yes, what exactly is the relationship. जो कहते हैं ना, जिंदगी के रास्ते इतने आसान नहीं है. उस रास्ते को आसान बनाने के लिए आपको बहुत कुछ झेलना पड़ेगा, बहुत कुछ महसूस करना पड़ेगा. So you have to feel it. महसूस, you have to feel it. In order to feel all those facets of life, which are nothing but the relationships, you have to take the strong weapon of silence. So, as per my understanding and my process of going on, finding what can be the scenario of silence, I have reached at a point that silence is actually the ultimate mirror of your life. It shows you when you are in a silent state, it will show you who you are exactly. Perhaps that will enhance not only a proper reflection, hopefully very soon I'll be coming up with my next episode with a proper analysis of how silence helps in improving the relationships. Besides becoming very soon I'll be coming up with my next episode in this issue. Don't forget to give your like, your comment, and your subscription to my channel Emotions Unplugged. Have a great day ahead. Till then, stay safe, be calm, stay positive. Bye bye.